हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो ऑफ एक्सप्लोर विद खुशबू। तो यहाँ मैंने मंगवा लिया है अमेज़ॉन से मेकअप बुक। यस, सो इट इज़ अमेज़ॉन हॉल एंड लेट्स जस्ट ओपन इट। ये मेकअप बुक है 4 in 1। तो इसमें 4 चीज़ें हैं, वो आप वीडियो में एंड तक बने रहिए तो आपको पता लग जाएगा। एंजॉय। So here is parcel. Can you see this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. If you love popping these too, do comment in the comment section. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm loving it. ये मैंने पहली बार ही अपने लिए मेकअप का कुछ सामान मंगवाया था, इसीलिए मैं तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड होगी। आप सुनिए कि मैं वीडियो में क्या बोल रही हूँ। I actually want to open it. I'm dying to open it. Okay, let's just do it. Sorry for the camera, but yeah, here go the lamination. We just have this. Oh my god, I don't know, I should open it. I should. Yeah, definitely. Without anything. Okay, let's open it. Kushboo, are you serious? Yeah. Oh my god, this is exactly like the photograph. Oh my god, the colors are really amazing. Okay, so the second one, this is the eyeshadow palette. Oh, loving this. Oh my gosh, the highlighter, this one, and this one. Oh my god, loving all the shades, and I think yeah, this will suit my skin tone. Oh my god, what is it? The blush contour. Oh wow, I have to try this. Like, okay, let's just do it as it is. How pigmented. Wow. And there go the blending. Wow, the blending is so smooth. Okay, erasing. Oh, nice. I'll show you all the colors. Okay, next is the contour. Yeah. Oh my god. The colors are so amazing. I'm using it for the eyeshadow. Like here. Eyeshadow. Done. These colors, especially this one on eyes, will look fantastic. And that is it. We have 4 pages. We have eyeshadow, highlighter, blush, and contour. I hope you love this video, and I just think I'm gonna watch it again and again. Wow. 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 Yeah, the colors are so amazing. Yeah, I can use them like really. Okay, I think we should just try out the shades and see if, I don't know if you are able to see the pigmentation yet here. I think let's just try them out. Okay. I think we should start from the lighter shade so that the colors don't go. Yeah, I think. And what are these shades? I'm literally confused. Oh, wow. What a shade though. Oh my god. I don't know. Wait. I don't know if you're able to see clearly, but look at the shine. This color and this color. Oh my god. I'm loving it. See. Beauty blends our cosmetics. Wow, wow, wow. All the shades are so beautiful. I think this is a little brighter out here. But yeah. Oh my god. You can see this. हाँ जी, तो वीडियो में तो मेरी चपड़ चपड़ बंद नहीं हो रही थी, लेकिन मुझे साउंड कट करके बोलना पड़ा क्योंकि वीडियो हो चुकी है बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग। लेकिन देखिए, जैसे ही मैंने अपनी बुक को ऐसे रखा तो वो शेड्स एग्जैक्टली शो हो रहे थे जैसे वो हैं। और अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो आप भी इस मेकअप बुक को ज़रूर लें, क्योंकि मैंने इसे यूज़ किया है एंड इट इज़ रियली अमेजिंग। एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू दैट like, comment, subscribe and click on the bell icon। और आपको पता ही है कि आप अगर शेयर कर देंगे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा। एंड अगर आप इस वीडियो के एंड तक बने रहे तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। बाय बाय।